Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mathematisha. So we are going to start a lecture series on circles with this video. In this video, we will define circle and find the equation of a circle in terms of its center and radius. So let's first define a circle. Let CHK be a fixed point and R be a fixed distance from this point. Now, suppose we have to move at R distance from this point and we are moving along this at R distance from this point. See, our footsteps will create a figure like this, which is called a circle. So, circle is the locus of all those points which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. This fixed point is called center. Let's say CHK is the center and R is the radius. Then equation of circle is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is actually derived from the distance formula. So let's say p, x, y be any point on this circle. Then we know that distance between this p and c is r. That is, distance between p, c is r. From distance formula, distance between p and c is square root of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, that is r. Or squaring both sides, we get this equation of circle, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Let's see example. Let C1, 2 be the center and r is equal to 3 be the radius. Then we have to find the equation of circle. So we know that equation of circle is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square, that is x minus, this is h, this is k. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. That is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 9. So x square, opening a minus b whole square, that is x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 9. Or x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y, this is 1 plus 4, 5, 5 minus 9, that is minus 4 equal to 0. Now let's see the converse part, that we are given equation in this form and we have to find the center and the radius. Let's see. Consider the equation of circle x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 9. Find its center and radius. So let us suppose center is hk and radius is r. Then we know that equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So comparing it with the given equation, see, x minus h is equal to x minus 3 or h is equal to 3. Y minus k is equal to y plus 4. Y cancels and we get k is equal to minus 4. And r square is equal to 9 implies r is equal to 3. So the center hk is 3 minus 4. And radius is 3. Next is general equation of a circle. In general, equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Note that in the general equation of circle, coefficient of x square and y square are always equal to 1. And equation of circle does not contain any term which includes x and y both. We can find center and radius from this equation, that is center is obtained by minus g minus f, that is minus of coefficient of x upon 2 and minus of coefficient of y upon 2. And radius is given by square root of g square plus f square minus c. Let's see examples. Consider the equation of circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 6 equal to 0. Find its center and radius. So compare this equation with the general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So comparing the coefficient of x, we get 2g is equal to 8, that is g is equal to 4. 2f is equal to 10, that is f is equal to 5. And c is minus 6. So g is 4, f is 5 and c is minus 6. Then we know that center is minus g minus f. G is 4 and f is 5. So this is minus 4 minus 5. And radius is given by square root of g square plus f square minus c. That is square root of 4 square plus 5 square minus c is minus 6. That is square root of 16 plus 25 plus 6 or square root of 47. Next we see we have to find equation of a circle which passes through two given points 2, -2 and 3, 4. Its center lie on the line x plus y equal to 2. So see, let equation of circle is, let's suppose the general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now since it passes through 2 minus 2, so put x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2. We get 4 plus 4g minus 4f plus c equal to 0, or 4g minus 4f plus 8 plus c equal to 0. Let's say equation number 1. Since we want to find the three unknowns g, f and c, so we will be having three equations. Next we put x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. So we get, put x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. So we get x square plus y square plus 2gx, that is 6g, plus 2fy, that is 8f, plus c equal to 0. So this is 6g plus 8f plus c plus 25 equal to 0. Equation number 2. Let's subtract 1 from 2. So first of all we write equation number 2 and then we subtract 1. 1 was this 4g minus 4f plus 8 plus c equal to 0. So 4g minus 4f plus c plus 8 equal to 0. 6g minus 4g we get 2g. 8f plus 4f we get 12f. c minus c cancels. 25 minus 8 we get 17 equal to 0. Or we get 2g is equal to minus 12f minus 17. Equation number 3. Also we are given that center, that is minus g minus f, lies on the line x plus y equal to 2. That is minus g minus f equal to 2. So we put equation this 2g equal to minus 12f minus 17. To use this, we multiply both sides of this equation with 2. So we get minus 2g minus 2f is equal to 4. Also, from the equation 3, we have 2g is equal to minus 12f minus 17. So we have 2g is equal to minus 12f minus 17, or 2g plus 12f is equal to minus 17. Now let's add these two equations, equation 4 and equation 5. 4 plus 5, we get minus 2g plus 2g cancels, minus 2f plus 12f we get 10f is equal to 4 minus 17, that is minus 13. So f is minus 13 by 10. So we get the value of f, that is minus 13 by 10. Also we have g plus f is equal to minus 2. So g is equal to minus 2 minus f, that is minus 2 minus minus 13 by 10. This is equal to minus 20 plus 13 by 10, or we have minus 7 by 10. So g is minus 7 by 10. Now we put both of these values f and g in equation 1. So equation 1 was this: 4g minus 4f plus c plus 8 is equal to 0. So that is, from 1 we have 4g minus 4f plus c plus 8 equal to 0. That is 4. G here is minus 7 by 10. So minus 7 by 10 minus 4, f is minus 13 by 10. Minus 13 by 10 plus c plus, I can write 8 as 4 into 20 by 10. That is 0. Now c is equal to 4 by 10 common. This 7, when it comes there, it will become positive. 13, when it comes there, it will become negative. And 20, it comes there and it becomes negative. So this is 4 by 10 into 7 minus 13, that is minus 6, minus 20, minus 26. So we get 2 by 5 into minus 26, or minus 52 by 5. Therefore, the equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx, 2 times g, that is minus 7 by 10x, plus 2fy, 2 times minus 13 by 10 into y, plus c, that is 52 by 5 equal to 0. Or we get x square plus y square minus 7 by 5x minus 13 by 5y minus 52 by 5 equal to 0. We can multiply this equation by 5 and further reduce it to a simpler form, that is 5x square plus 5y square minus 7x minus 13y minus 52 equal to 0. That's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.